Jai Hind, I'm Vedana Singh and you're most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to complete the question answer of the unit Some Natural Phenomena, and this video is for class 8 science, and all the questions is from the Science Spark books, and the books is published by Edible. So here we will do a complete answer of the exercise. The first type of question is choose the correct answer among the given options. So what we will do here, the fourth options are here. Among them, one is correct. So I have highlighted the correct answer. So let's come to the point. Now the first is what causes the build up of electric charges during thunderstorm. The correct answer is that is friction force, water droplets and air. Now the next question is which device is used to protect building from the lightning. The correct answer is lightning conductor is used for safety of a building. Now the next question is what is the scale need to measure the magnitude of earthquake. The correct answer is Richter scale. Now the next question is which layer of the earth is responsible for tectonic activities. That is lithosphere is a correct answer. Now the next question is which of the following natural phenomena is caused by electric charges. The correct answer is that is lightning. Now the B is a correct option. Now the next question is fill in the blanks. The fill in the blanks, the first is the sudden flow of electric charges during a thunderstorm is called, that is lightning. Now the next is the lightning conductor is a safety measure installed in a building to direct lightning safely to the ground. Now the next is the instrument used to detect and record seismic wave is called seismograph. Now the next is the earthquake is caused by the sudden movement of tectonic plates. Now the next type of question is true and false type questions are here. So the first is the lightning is caused by the movement of positive and negative charges in the cloud. Yes, this is true. Now the next is the Richter scale measures the intensity of damage caused by the earthquake. No, this is false. The next is the earth crust is broken into the large pieces called tectonic plates. This is true. And the next is the lightning strikes only over land, not over the waters. No, this is false. It affects everywhere. Now the next type of question is define the following terms are here. So we have to give the proper definition for each term. The first is electric charges. A tiny amount of electricity carried by particle is called, that is electric charge. Next is lightning conductor. A metal rod that sends lightning safely into the ground, that is a lightning conductor. Now the next is earthquake focus. It is a point inside the earth where the earthquake starts. Now the next is seismograph. A machine that records the earthquake wave is known as seismograph is known for this. Now the tectonic plates, a large piece of earth crust that moves slowly. Now the next type of question is the match the column. In the column A is there, in column B I have written the correct answer. So the first is lightning conductors. First is lightning conductor. It directs charge safely to the ground, means B is a correct matching. Now the next is Richter scale. The correct matching is measure the earthquake magnitude, means C is a correct answer. Now the seismograph, it is a device for detecting seismic waves. Now the next is tectonic plates movement, that's a tectonic activity. And the last is epicenter. Epicenter is a point on earth above the earthquake focus, that is the epicenter. Now the next type of question is give the reason for statements. Here the statements are given here and we have to give the proper reason for each statement. The first statement is lightning is more likely to strike tall building or trees. The reason is it is because they are closest points to the sky, so electric charges reach them first. Now the next is safety drills are conducted in the earthquake prone area. The reason is so the people know how to stay safe during an earthquake. Now the next statement is lightning conductor is installed on a skyscraper. The answer is to protect tall building by safely passing the electric lightning to the ground. Now the next statement is earthquakes are more frequent along tectonic plates boundaries. The reason is it is because the plates move and rub against each other and these boundaries. Now the next statement is rubber shoes are recommended during the lightning storms. The reason is because rubber does not let electricity pass easily to and help protect us. Now the next type of question is answer in brief. The questions are here and we have to give the brief answer. The first question is explain how lightning occurs during the thunderstorm. The answer is during the thunderstorm the cloud carries electric charges and when opposite charges come to close and a spark form and travel to the ground. This is called lightning. Now the next question is what safety measures should be taken during an earthquake? The answer is to take shelter under a table, stay away from the window, don't use lift and move to the open area after setting swaps. Now the next is sorry, searching stop. Now the next is, what is significance of lightning conductor? Now the reason is, the answer is, the lightning conductor safely carries lightning into the ground and protects building from damage. Now the next question is, why does the earth crust experience tectonic activity? The answer is, the earth crust is made of plates that moves when they push or pull or slide. They causes earthquake and volcanoes. Now the next question is, what are aftershocks and how do they occur after earthquake? The answer is, aftershocks are smaller quakes that happens after the main earthquakes, and they happens because the crust is still settling. Now the next type of question is answer in detail. We have to give the answer in detail. All the questions are here and give the answer detail. Now the first question is, explain the phenomena of lightning including the role of electric charges. The answer is, lightning happens due to the build up of electric charges in cloud, and positive charges gather at the top and negative charges at the bottom. When these charges jumps between clouds or to ground or flash light is called lightning is seen. Now the next is, describe how an earthquake occurs, highlighting the roles of tectonic plates and faults. The answer is, the earthquake's crust is broken into the tectonic plates, and these plates move slowly. When they push against each other or slide at fault, pressure liquid built. When this releases suddenly, it causes an earthquake. The next question is, discuss the safety precautions to be taken during the lightning and earthquake. The answer is, during the lightning, stay indoor and avoid metal objects. Don't attend or under the trees. The next is, during earthquake, stay calm and take over under furniture and avoid lift and go to the open area if possible. Now the next question is, explain how a seismograph work and its role in measuring the earthquake activities. There will be a simple diagram is here. I have not drawn the diagram, but I have written only theoretical portion is here. So from book you can write from there. Now the answer is, the seismograph is a machine that records the shaking of the ground, and it has a heavy weight that stays still while and rest of the machine moves. It draws the lines that shows the strength during the duration of earthquake. Now the next and the last question is, what is the importance of understanding plate tectonics in predicting earthquake? The answer is, by studying plates movement, the scientists can find areas where earthquakes may happen. This helps early warning and planning to reduce the damages. With this in, if you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment box. I would try to give the answer as soon as possible. With this in, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.